Ready to experience the future of learning? Welcome to EdYou, where your learning and wellness journey begins. Connect with our conversational AI companions.
Hi, I'm Hannah, your personal learning and wellness companion.
Hi, I'm Eddie, your player's pal.
Hi, I'm Nova, your study buddy.
Learn. With beautifully curated course content and infinite test prep that intuitively adapts to each learner's level, EdYou makes your learning experience supported, more engaging, and stress-free.
Is that clear? We can keep reviewing if you're still confused.
She's got your back every step of the way. Thrive in a space where your wellness matters just as much as your grades.
I've been really stressed about my upcoming history test. Can you help me?
Of course. Don't worry, let's take it step by step. Should we refer to the study guide I created to start?
That's the power of EdYou. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and experience the future of learning and wellness.